The top 5 ownership dog breeds. Are you ready to meet the top 5 ownership dog breeds? Get ready for the ultimate companionship and loyalty. Let's dive in. 1. Labrador Retriever. First up, we have the Labrador Retriever. Known for their friendly nature and intelligence, Labradors are the perfect family dogs. Their playful energy and willingness to please make them excellent companions for people of all ages. 2. German Shepherd. Next on our list is the German Shepherd. These loyal and courageous dogs are highly versatile. From serving as police or military dogs to being loving family pets, their intelligence and protective instincts make them a popular choice. 3. Golden Retriever. Say hello to the Golden Retriever. With their gentle temperament and sunny disposition, they bring joy to every home. Golden Retrievers are not only beautiful but also highly trainable, making them ideal for families, therapy work, or even search and rescue. 4. French Bulldog. Looking for a small-sized breed? Meet the French Bulldog. Despite their compact size, they have big personalities. Known for their affectionate nature and adorable snorting sounds, Frenchies are charming companions that will steal your heart. 5. Bulldog. Last but not least, we have the Bulldog. With their unique appearance and lovable wrinkles, Bulldogs are a symbol of strength and resilience. Despite their tough exterior, they are gentle and affectionate, making them cherished family pets. So, whether you're seeking an active partner, a loyal guardian, or a cuddly friend, these top 5 ownership dog breeds have got you covered. They're sure to bring endless love and joy into your life. Remember, responsible pet ownership is key. Consider factors such as lifestyle, living situation, and the needs of the specific breed before making a decision. Happy dog ownership!